سورة محمد.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله أضل أعمالهم.
Those who disbelieve and hinder men from the path of Allah, He will render their deeds vain.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وآمنوا بما نزل على محمد وهو الحق من ربهم كفر عنهم سيئاتهم وأصلح بالهم.
But those who believe and do righteous good deeds and believe in that which is sent down to Muhammad, for it is the truth from their Lord, He will expiate from them their sins and will make good their state.
ذلك بأن الذين كفروا اتبعوا الباطل وأن الذين آمنوا اتبعوا الحق من ربهم كذلك يضرب الله للناس أمثالهم.
That is because those who disbelieve follow falsehood, while those who believe follow the truth from their Lord. Thus does Allah set forth for mankind their parables.
فَإِذَا لَقِيتُمُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَضَرْبَ الرِّقَابِ حَتَّى إِذَا أَثْخَنْتُمُوهُمْ فشدوا الوثاق فإما منا بعد وإما فداء حتى تضع الحرب أوزارها. ذلك ولو يشاء الله لانتصر منهم ولكن ليبلو بعضكم ببعض. والذين قتلوا في سبيل الله فلن يضل أعمالهم.
So, when you meet those who disbelieve, smite their necks, till when you have killed and wounded many of them, then bind a bond firmly on them. Thereafter is the time either for generosity or ransom until war lays down its burden. Thus you are ordered by Allah. But if it had been Allah's will, He Himself could certainly have punished them without you. But He lets you fight in order to test some of you with others. But those who are killed in the way of Allah, He will never let their deeds be lost.
سيهديهم ويصلح بالهم.
He will guide them and set right their state.
ويدخلهم الجنة عرفها لهم.
And admit them to paradise which He has made known to them.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن تنصروا الله ينصركم ويثبت أقدامكم.
O you who believe, if you help in the cause of Allah, He will help you and make your foothold firm.
والذين كفروا فتعسا لهم وأضل أعمالهم.
But those who disbelieve, for them is destruction, and Allah will make their deeds vain.
ذلك بأنهم كرهوا ما أنزل الله فأحبط أعمالهم.
That is because they hate that which Allah has sent down, so He has made their deeds fruitless.
أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم دمر الله عليهم وللكافرين أمثالها.
Have they not traveled through the earth and seen what was the end of those before them? Allah destroyed them completely, and a similar fate awaits the disbelievers.
ذلك بأن الله مولى الذين آمنوا وأن الكافرين لا مولى لهم.
That is because Allah is the protector of those who believe, and the disbelievers have no protector.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار والذين كفروا يتمتعون ويأكلون كما تأكل الأنعام والنار مثوى لهم.
Certainly Allah will admit those who believe and do righteous good deeds to gardens under which rivers flow, while those who disbelieve enjoy themselves and eat as cattle eat, and the fire will be their abode.
وكأين من قرية هي أشد قوة من قريتك التي أخرجتك أهلكناهم فلا ناصر لهم.
And many a town stronger than your town which has driven you out we have destroyed, and there was none to help them.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه كمن زين له سوء عمله واتبعوا أهواءهم.
Is he who is on a clear proof from his Lord, like those for whom their evil deeds that they do are beautified for them, while they follow their own lusts?
مثل الجنة التي وعد المتقون فيها أنهار من ماء غير آسن وأنهار من لبن لم يتغير طعمه وأنهار من خمر لذة للشاربين وأنهار من عسل مصفى ولهم فيها من كل الثمرات ومغفرة من ربهم كمن هو خالد في النار وسقوا ماء حميما فقطع أمعاءهم.
The description of paradise which the pious have been promised is that in it are rivers of water, the taste and smell of which are not changed, rivers of milk of which the taste never changes, rivers of wine delicious to those who drink, and rivers of clarified honey, clear and pure. Therein for them is every kind of fruit and forgiveness from their Lord. Are these like those who shall dwell forever in the fire and be given to drink boiling water so that it cuts up their bowels?
ومنهم من يستمع إليك حتى إذا خرجوا من عندك قالوا للذين أوتوا العلم ماذا قال آنفا أولئك الذين طبع الله على قلوبهم واتبعوا أهواءهم.
And among them are some who listen to you, till when they go out from you they say to those who have received knowledge, what has he said just now? Such are men whose hearts Allah has sealed, and they follow their lusts.
والذين اهتدوا زادهم هدى وآتاهم تقواهم.
While as for those who accept guidance, He increases their guidance and bestows on them their piety.
فهل ينظرون إلا الساعة أن تأتيهم بغتة فقد جاء أشراطها فأنى لهم إذا جاءتهم ذكراهم
Do they then await anything other than the hour that it should come upon them suddenly? But some of its indications and signs have already come. And when it actually is on them, how can they benefit then by their reminder?
فاعلم أنه لا إله إلا الله واستغفر لذنبك وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات والله يعلم متقلبكم ومثواكم.
So know that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and ask forgiveness for your sin, and also for the sin of believing men and believing women. And Allah knows well your moving about and your place of rest.
ويقول الذين آمنوا لولا نزلت سورة فإذا أنزلت سورة محكمة وذكر فيها القتال رأيت الذين في قلوبهم مرض ينظرون إليك نظر المغشي عليه من الموت فأولى لهم.
Those who believe say, why is not a chapter of the Quran sent down for us? But when a decisive chapter of the Quran explaining and ordering things is sent down, and fighting is mentioned therein, you will see those in whose hearts is a disease looking at you with a look of one fainting to death. But it was better for them to listen to Allah and to obey Him.
طاعة وقول معروف فإذا عزم الأمر فلو صدقوا الله لكان خيرا لهم.
Obedience to Allah and good words were better for them. And when the matter of preparation for jihad is resolved on, then if they had been true to Allah, it would have been better for them.
فهل عسيتم إن توليتم أن تفسدوا في الأرض وتقطعوا أرحامكم.
Would you then, if you were given the authority, do mischief in the land and sever your ties of kinship?
أولئك الذين لعنهم الله فأصمهم وأعمى أبصارهم.
Such are they whom Allah has cursed, so that He has made them deaf and blinded their sight.
أفلا يتدبرون القرآن أم على قلوب أقفالها.
Do they not then think deeply in the Quran, or are their hearts locked up from understanding it?
إن الذين ارتدوا على أدبارهم من بعد ما تبين لهم الهدى الشيطان سول لهم وأملى لهم.
Verily, those who have turned back as disbelievers after the guidance has been manifested to them, Shaitan has beautified for them their false hopes, and Allah prolonged their term.
ذلك بأنهم قالوا للذين كرهوا ما نزل الله سنطيعكم في بعض الأمر والله يعلم إسرارهم.
This is because they said to those who hate what Allah has sent down, we will obey you in part of the matter, but Allah knows their secrets.
فكيف إذا توفتهم الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم.
Then how will it be when the angels will take their souls at death, smiting their faces and their backs?
ذلك بأنهم اتبعوا ما أسخط الله وكرهوا رضوانه فأحبط أعمالهم.
That is because they followed that which angered Allah and hated that which pleases Him. So He made their deeds fruitless.
أم حسب الذين في قلوبهم مرض أن لن يخرج الله أضغانهم.
Or do those in whose hearts is a disease think that Allah will not bring to light all their hidden ill wills?
ولو نشاء لأريناكهم فلعرفتهم بسيماهم ولتعرفنهم في لحن القول والله يعلم أعمالكم.
Had we willed, we could have shown them to you, and you should have known them by their marks. But surely you will know them by the tone of their speech, and Allah knows all your deeds.
وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ حَتَّى نَعْلَمَ الْمُجَاهِدِينَ مِنكُمْ وَالصَّابِرِينَ وَنَبْلُوَ أَخْبَارَكُمْ.
And surely we shall try you till we test those who strive hard, and be patient, and we shall test your facts.
إن الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله وشاقوا الرسول من بعد ما تبين لهم الهدى لن يضروا الله شيئا وسيحبط أعمالهم.
Verily, those who disbelieve and hinder men from the path of Allah, after the guidance has been clearly shown to them, they will not harm Allah in the least, but He will make their deeds fruitless.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول ولا تبطلوا أعمالكم.
O you who believe, obey Allah and obey the Messenger, and render not vain your deeds.
إن الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله ثم ماتوا وهم كفار فلن يغفر الله لهم.
Verily, those who disbelieve and hinder men from the path of Allah, then die while they are disbelievers, Allah will not forgive them.
فلا تهنوا وتدعوا إلى السلم وأنتم الأعلون والله معكم ولن يتركم أعمالكم.
So be not weak and ask not for peace from the enemies of Islam while you are having the upper hand. Allah is with you, and He will never decrease the reward of your good deeds.
إنما الحياة الدنيا لعب وله وإن تؤمنوا وتتقوا يؤتكم أجوركم ولا يسألكم أموالكم.
The life of this world is but play and pastime. But if you believe and fear Allah and avoid evil, He will grant you your wages and will not ask you your wealth.
إن يسألكموها فيحفكم تبخلوا ويخرج أضغانكم.
If He were to ask you of it and press you, you would covetously withhold, and He will bring out all your secret ill wills.
ها أنتم هؤلاء تدعون لتنفقوا في سبيل الله فمنكم من يبخل ومن يبخل فإنما يبخل عن نفسه والله الغني وأنتم أنتم الفقراء وإن تتولوا يستبدل قوما غيركم ثم لا يكونوا أمثالكم.
Behold, you are those who are called to spend in the cause of Allah, yet among you are some who are niggardly. And whoever is niggardly, it is only at the expense of his own self. But Allah is rich and you are poor. And if you turn away, He will exchange you for some other people, and they will not be your likes.